ADMK is completely in the grip of BJP. See what has been done in Bihar. The Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, he was Chief Minister till yesterday. Today he has been reduced to merely a Rajya Sabha member. Why? This will be done with ADMK also. ADMK will be broken into 3 parts and BJP will take over. BJP wants to capture Tamil Nadu. The people of Tamil Nadu hate BJP. You hate BJP or not? People don't want BJP. Tamil Nadu does not want BJP. ADMK has done the biggest crime to Tamil Nadu by bringing BJP to Tamil Nadu. So beware before you vote for them. Another thing, 1 year back in Delhi, the people made a mistake. They voted for BJP in Delhi. Now all the good work that we had done in Delhi, BJP has stopped all the good work. The schools that we had started in Delhi, they have stopped the schools. The clinics that we started in Delhi, they stopped the clinics. The free medicines and treatment we started in Delhi in hospitals, they stopped all that. We had made electricity free in Delhi. Now the people are getting thousands and thousands of rupees of electricity bill. We had made water free. So beware if you vote for BJP or you vote for ADMK or you vote for NDA. All the good work that he has started, everything will stop and you will repent it. So I will request you that you should vote for Stalin Saab, you should vote for DMK if it is being done in Tamil Nadu. He has done a lot of developmental work in Tamil Nadu. This development should continue. And he is one voice, a strong voice against Narendra Modi in the central government. He is fighting not only for Tamil Nadu, he is fighting for India, he is fighting for the country. He is a very strong voice. Recently they tried to do a delimitation bill which would have completely destroyed our democracy, and he stood against Narendra Modi and he fought for the people of India, for the people of Tamil Nadu. I would request you to vote for Shri K.S. Ramachandranji, who is in K. Ravichandran, and the symbol is rising sun. Will you vote for him? Vanakkam.